Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this logo. They do not want the AAA logo, but they wanted to know how you could create this band and not show up through this other part. So I've already done it. It's not exactly like that, and I actually need to go to Object, Order, and put it to the back of the page. Well, put it to the front of the page so it doesn't show up behind there. This is really easy to do. I would just take an ellipse, and you could play around with it quite a bit, and even take it now and squeeze it, turn it to wherever you want to turn it, whatever angle you want to turn, and then just kind of figure out where you want it to break. And just take two-point lines, take your virtual segment delete key and delete that part. You don't even have to get rid of those lines. You can just move that over, and then you've got those lines. And then I would go up to the artistic media tool, and I've already picked one right there that kind of has, this is probably the best one for it. Matter of fact, let's try this one this time. And you already get that. Now, a lot of times it won't work, and you have to go to the pen and then change your depth to get that. Now, this is thicker, so I actually want to go back and use the one I had prior. The one I had prior has a little hump in the middle, but we can very easily fix that. I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to go to Object and break the artistic media group apart, because this line is going to give you trouble and you do not need it. Now we're going to take this and take the shape tool, and you can see some extra nodes we probably don't need, so I'm going to delete all those. And then if you will take this node and right click and turn it into a cusp, and then go and take this node, right click and turn it into a cusp. What that did, that makes it just where one handle will move. It doesn't move both sides, and you could move one handle at a time. And you could play around with this till you get it perfect. When you move your handle up, it gets wider. If you move it out, it'll get narrower near your node. So just kind of remember that. And if you could always grab that and make it narrower at the beginning, and just kind of get this thing even where it looks like it's not a sharp corner. And that's pretty good. Now we can go ahead and turn that blue, and we've got that part of the logo. Now it might be a little bit thicker or thinner than you want, but you can change that. Now we need to get this ring. So all I did was draw an ellipse about the shape of that. I'm going to make it 50 points to get kind of the size we want. Now you notice that my the original part of the logo is just a hairline. So now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in these two parts. Now take our line and hit delete. Now if you can see that the red outline is basically in front of the blue. So we need to either grab one or the other. We're going to grab the red, go up to Object, Order, Front of Page. And then that way it looks like the blue is behind there. And then you could write anything inside that. And I don't even know if they want that part of the circle. They might just be wanting that blue part. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.